Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In today's tutorial, let me show you how to bet in football. Betting on football can be an exciting endeavor, and getting started involves several key steps. First, you need to choose a reputable betting platform or sports book, such as 1xBet or Bet365, ensuring that it operates legally in your region. After creating an account and verifying your identity, fund your betting account through available payment methods, like credit cards or e-wallets. Familiarizing yourself with the different types of bets, such as match result, over or under, handicap betting, and prop bets, is crucial for informed wagering. Next is it's essential to analyze teams and matches by researching player statistics, injuries, and recent form, as this information can significantly influence your betting decisions. Once you feel confident, navigate to the football section of your chosen platform. For example, let's use the 1xBet platform. And here, let's go over to football. Now, select your match, choose your betting market, enter your stake, and confirm your bet. Throughout the match, you can track your bet and even place additional live bets if the platform offers that option. After a successful bet, you can withdraw your winnings, keeping in mind the platform's withdrawal policies. For beginners, it's advisable to start with small stakes, stay informed about football news, and practice responsible gambling by setting a budget. This approach will help you enjoy the experience while minimizing financial risk. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.